After Effects is powerful itself, but with the right free plugins, it becomes unstoppable. In this video, I want to share you some of my best free plugins to boost your creativity and save you tons of time. Number 1. Motion Tools panel. This tool has many options, but I most frequently use it to easily change the position of the anchor point, create a null object in just one click, and sequence layers perfectly without any hassle. Next one is Trim Pack. If you use shapes and lines a lot, this one is perfect for you. It animates them without needing to do it manually. Next, bodymovin. If you want to export your animation for a website as a JSON file, install this plugin. It allows you to do that with ease. Next is Flow. You can apply easy ease to your keyframes. With just one click. At any speed you want, you can also edit the curves in any way you like. No need to do it manually, this saves tons of time. Number 5. Buttcapper. With just one click, you can round the ends of your lines. No need to dig into multiple properties anymore. Last but not least, FX Console. This one is essential. It allows you to apply effect by simply holding Ctrl or Command with a space key. You can also save JPG or PNG of any frame you wanted in your scene. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your comment for me.